Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by creating a project and importing your media. Once done, give it a clear name so you can find it later. You should choose the correct audio language and transcription quality because that affects accuracy. Make sure to pick the speech-to-text engine that balances speed and precision for your device. Then press Start Transcription and watch the live progress bar. This gets you into editing without wasting time on trivial settings. Once transcription finishes, you edit lines while listening. Fix misheard words and tighten punctuation to improve readability. Use the waveform to drag segment edges or split captions so timing matches speech. This ensures captions appear when spoken. You should also enforce line length rules and split long sentences into 2 captions for comfortable reading. Make small playback loops while adjusting timing to verify sync. Repeated short checks are faster than fixing many errors later. You finish by choosing an export format like SRT for platforms or Burnin MP4 for fixed captions, then apply a style preset if you need consistent fonts and colors. Once exported, test the file in the actual player or device to confirm display and timing. If captions are consistently early or late, use the global timing offset to shift all cues rather than editing each line. If problems persist, rerun transcription.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.